For decades, astronomers have dreamed of studying an object that formed around another star and wandered into our solar system. Such visitors are incredibly rare, carrying clues about distant planetary systems that humanity cannot reach. That dream became reality when astronomers identified an unusual object now known as 3I Atlas. Almost immediately, telescopes around the world turned toward it, hoping to learn as much as possible before it continued its journey into deep space. Early orbital calculations suggested there was little reason for concern. The object appeared to be following a natural path that would carry it safely through the solar system before disappearing forever. At first glance, it seemed destined to become another valuable scientific observation. But as more measurements arrived, researchers realized this visitor was far more interesting than anyone expected. Traveling at extraordinary speed, 3I Atlas crossed the solar system much faster than ordinary comets. Its enormous velocity strongly suggested that it originated outside our Sun's gravitational family, making it only the third confirmed interstellar object ever observed. Scientists immediately began analyzing its brightness, rotation, composition, and behavior. One feature quickly stood out. As sunlight warmed the object's icy surface, jets of gas escaped into space, creating a glowing cloud known as a coma. This is completely normal for active comets. However, these escaping gases also produced tiny forces that slightly altered the object's motion. Although these changes were extremely small, they reminded astronomers how difficult it can be to predict the future path of an active comet with absolute precision. The world's most powerful observatories joined the investigation. Among them was the James Webb Space Telescope, whose infrared instruments can detect molecules invisible to ordinary telescopes. Webb examined the gases surrounding 3I Atlas, searching for water vapor, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and other compounds that reveal how such objects formed. Every observation helped improve computer models describing the object's activity. As additional data became available, scientists repeatedly refined its orbit. These updates were expected because every new observation reduces uncertainty. Small revisions to an orbit are a normal part of astronomical research rather than evidence of something mysterious. Even so, public curiosity exploded online. Social media quickly filled with dramatic headlines claiming the object was changing direction, hiding secrets, or behaving unlike anything seen before. Professional astronomers urged caution. Natural outgassing can produce tiny changes in a comet's motion without requiring any extraordinary explanation. Similar effects have been observed in many comets throughout history. Still, 3I Atlas remains scientifically fascinating because every interstellar visitor offers a rare opportunity to compare our solar system with distant planetary systems elsewhere in the galaxy. Researchers wanted to answer fundamental questions. How old is this object? What chemicals does it contain? Did it form around a star similar to our Sun, or around an entirely different type of star? Each answer could teach us something about how planets form throughout the universe. As observations continued, anticipation only grew. Would this traveler simply confirm existing theories, or would it reveal something completely unexpected? The investigation was only beginning. As scientists collected more information, attention shifted from sensational rumors to the real scientific opportunities presented by 3I Atlas. Unlike ordinary solar system comets, an interstellar object carries material created around another star, potentially billions of years before our own solar system finished forming. Studying that material is like examining a tiny sample from another corner of the Milky Way. Using advanced spectroscopy, astronomers analyzed the sunlight reflected and emitted by the object. Every chemical leaves a unique fingerprint within light, allowing researchers to identify frozen gases and minerals without ever touching the object itself. These observations may reveal whether planetary systems across our galaxy share similar ingredients, or whether every stellar neighborhood develops in its own unique way. Scientists are also studying the object's rotation. Many small bodies tumble irregularly through space after experiencing ancient collisions. Measuring this motion provides clues about the object's internal structure and long-term history. Meanwhile, computer simulations continue improving predictions of its future path. Although tiny forces produced by escaping gas slightly influence the orbit, current observations indicate that 3I, ATLAS will continue its journey through the solar system before eventually returning to interstellar space. Its visit is temporary. Once it departs, humanity may never see it again. That reality makes every observation incredibly valuable. Each hour of telescope time contributes another piece to a puzzle that began in another planetary system billions of years ago. The arrival of 3I, ATLAS also highlights how modern astronomy has transformed. Ground-based observatories, space telescopes, automated surveys, and powerful computer models now work together to track distant objects with remarkable precision. This international cooperation allows scientists to respond almost immediately whenever something unusual appears in the night sky. Perhaps the greatest lesson from 3I, Atlas is not that it challenges the laws of physics, but that it reminds us how much remains unknown about our galaxy. Every interstellar visitor carries a story written long before Earth existed. Each one preserves evidence from another stellar neighborhood, offering clues about the diversity of planetary systems scattered across the Milky Way. Future observatories may detect dozens, or even hundreds, of similar objects every year. With each discovery, astronomers will gain a clearer understanding of how stars, planets, and small icy bodies evolve throughout the galaxy. The universe is filled with travelers like these. Most pass unnoticed across the vast darkness between stars. Occasionally, however, one enters our cosmic neighborhood, giving humanity a brief opportunity to study a messenger from another solar system. Whether 3I, ATLAS ultimately proves to be ordinary or extraordinary, its greatest contribution lies in the questions it inspires. Because every new discovery reminds us that exploration is never truly finished. Beyond every answer lies another mystery waiting to be understood.